This is Chris Presents. Today is Sunday, January 23rd, 2022, and I'm in the middle of a snowstorm. I'm walking in the Streeterville neighborhood. This is Huron, and Fairbanks. I'm just going to show you what's going on here. There's a lot of snow here. It was snowing all night long. And this is going to be probably a 10-minute video. I'm not going to make it a long video because it's kind of treacherous, dangerous to walk, and also it's cold. And I just wanted to show you the snowstorm just hit Chicago. Started last night. Now it's daybreak. It's about 7 a.m. and it's accumulating. It's about anywhere between 2 and 4 inches already on the ground. And now we're approaching Fairbanks and Superior Street. You can see the cars are very carefully crossing or driving. Not too much traffic anyway, but you can see them cleaning the streets here, plowing the streets. It's very windy. You can see the wind blowing, probably 20 to 30 miles an hour. So it's a big snowstorm. Just hit Chicago last night. I'm gonna see if I can get on the street and walk on the street because there's nobody, there's no cars. Nobody's coming. Here we go. Very, very dangerous conditions for driving, even walking. But I went out just to give you an idea what's going on. This is going to be probably a 10-minute video. Very noisy here from the little plow there plowing the snow. It's a Sunday, so there's not a lot of people are working today. Now it's getting real windy. Hopefully you can hear me. If for any reason the audio is no good, I will put music over this video, licensed music from artists. How are you? All right. So this is Streeterville neighborhood in the middle of a snowstorm. Snow is really coming down, and this is Lakeshore Park. I'm sure you recognize this area from my previous videos that there was no snow. Look how beautiful this picture is. Look at that. And then this is the residences, the high rises here. These are all and I want to show you how beautiful these streets are in the snow when they're covered with snow. That's what I like about it. I don't like the cold. I don't like the treacherous wind, but I do like the way the streets look in the snow in this area in Streeterville. Which is a residential neighborhood in the middle of downtown. I'm holding the camera, but believe me, it's very cold. I have no idea what the temperature is, but it's freezing cold and it's snowing. And look at how beautiful that street is. That's DeWitt. And in just a minute, I'm going to show you how beautiful Pearson is. Look at this. Look at Pearson Street. Look how beautiful this street is. Covered in the snow. Actually, let's just go a little bit down this way and then come back. There's no car, so I'm just gonna walk in the middle of the street. There's nobody driving at this second. I don't think anybody's gonna be driving anytime soon. This is Pearson Street. There's one car coming, but I can see them. All right, let's turn around and go the other way. There you go. This is Pearson Street. No cars are coming. Look how beautiful Pearson Street is. Look at that. Look how beautiful this street is. I wish I can stay out longer, but I can't. It's super cold. I'm freezing already, and this is DeWitt. This is DeWitt Street. We're just gonna walk this way. Show the beautiful colors of the snow. This is Streeterville dressed in white. I'm just gonna show you the John Hopkins Center right over there. All right, let's just walk a little bit this way. I'm in the middle of the street. Look at how much has accumulated, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. Not too many cars over here, which is a good thing for me. I don't get run over by a car, but I love it. I love this. So we're just gonna walk a little bit this way, show you what's going on. Hopefully you can hear me. Hopefully it's not interfering the wind with the audio. Hopefully we get to keep the audio and you can hear me. This is the corner of DeWitt and Chestnut, Streeterville area. This is one of my favorite shots right over here on the Chestnut Street with the John Hopkins Center right over there. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. All right, I think we're gonna go back that way. Too cold at the moment to be filming. I don't want to get sick. I don't want to fall either. I may come back later on during the day and film another video. Depends how this storm develops. But at this second, it's very dangerous to be outside. Not just from the cold, but also from the slippery streets and sidewalks here. All right, we're gonna make this a 10-minute video. We got 1 more minute to film. And if you like my videos, please subscribe to this channel. And tell your friends as well to subscribe. The more the better. All right, we're gonna stop the video right over here on Pearson and DeWitt. That's the Museum of Contemporary Art right over there. It's gonna be a 10-minute video. This is Chris Presents, doing a snowy video from Streeterville in downtown Chicago. And today is Sunday, January 23rd, 2022. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you liked it.